In the previous videos, we covered the basics of semiconductors and the challenges faced by electronics aspirants in starting a career in VLSI and embedded systems. Now, as you enter in third year of your engineering, you will learn about Advanced Verilog Concepts, which will help you decide on your final year project, whether it's encryption, microprocessor design, or FPGA implementation. You will also deep dive into verification languages like System Verilog and UVM, gaining practical experience for your future. Now comes VHDL, another crucial hardware description language. Here, converting digital components from Verilog to VHDL and implementing them on FPGA will be a valuable hands-on experience. You will also learn C and C++ programming, focusing on key concepts like pointers, data structures, and object-oriented programming. In your third year, you will have the opportunity to simulate more circuits on PN junction, MOS, CMOS, and amplifiers. If you don't have interest in programming, you can focus on analog electronics. By fourth year, you will have the opportunity to choose your area of expertise. One common technology is part of all three domains, that is Linux command or scripting, which will help you to develop your understanding in Bash, Tcl, Perl, and Python. The Level 1 and Level 2 Foundation program will provide you with the hands-on experience, project development opportunities, and the skills which are in high demand in the industry. This program will also give you valuable networking opportunities and industry exposure. If you are interested in analog, you can make your career in analog circuit design engineering, full custom layout engineering, standard cell design engineering, physical verification engineering, digital layout, physical design. And if you are interested in programming and hardware, you can go for RTL design engineering for ASIC, verification engineering in ASIC, FPGA design engineering in hardware. You can become DFT engineer, synthesis, and STA engineer if you are interested in digital electronics. Now let me show you how does your training profile looks like after you have completed all the levels. So this is the profile of Saurabh Rai. He is one of the PinE's alumni. If we move to his experience section, you can see this is what he did during his first year. And if we move above, these are the things he worked on during his second year. And at last, this was his third year.